Number 4 is the Girlboss Foundation grant. I like the name Girlboss because we're girl bosses. Starting a side hustle to make money or running a business to make money can be difficult when you don't have money to begin with. It's like the case of the chicken and the egg. Which one comes first? In today's video, I am going to demystify this riddle. I'm going to share with you legitimate ways that you can gain access to money for your business without running into debt, without giving up ownership of your business, and without running your bank account dry. So if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, then please go ahead and hit the like button and let's get into it. Hi wealth builders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Vanessa, and on this channel we talk all things earning more and building wealth. And today we have a really good one. I mean, I think this is the most important video I've made yet, because a lot of you have let me know in the comment section that the reason why you haven't started what God has placed on your heart is because of money. So we're going to be taking care of that in today's video. Today we're going to be talking about grants, and we're going to talk about it in 3 parts. First of all, I'm going to explain to you exactly what grants are. Secondly, I'm going to tell you who gives grants to business owners. And 3, I'm going to give you 5 grants that you can apply to today to get funding for your business. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the very end to get the most value out of it. So first of all, what is a grant? A grant is a specific amount of money that's given for a specific purpose, and if used for the purpose intended, it doesn't have to be paid back. Did somebody say free money? I think I heard free money. Now, though grants are technically free money, there are obviously some conditions attached to it. 1, you usually have to meet some eligibility criteria when you're applying. And 2, you have to use the money for what you're saying you use the money for. Otherwise, it's illegal. So if you're applying for a grant and you say you need $5,000 to set up a website and rent an office space for your business, then you have to do exactly that with the $5,000. Don't go and buy a Ashway B. You have to spend the money on what exactly you say you spend the money on. There are 3 main bodies that give out grants. Number 1, the government. The government gives out grants to stimulate the economy. Number 2, nonprofit organizations. Nonprofit organizations give out grants to meet their impact goals. And number 3, regular companies and businesses give out grants to get tax write-offs. So even though it's free money, it makes sense because these organizations have their own motives for giving you this free money. Now, because this is money that usually doesn't have to be paid back when used for a specific purpose, it is really competitive to get a grant, especially when you don't know how to apply for one. And so we're going to have a grants expert come and teach us all the ins and outs of applying for grants over at the Launch to Wealth membership. So if you haven't joined the wait list yet, make sure you do that in the description box. Now let's get to the fun stuff. I'm going to share 5 grants that are available specifically for women to apply for from today. Some of them have deadlines from next month, so make sure you jump on it. Okay? The first is given by the Tory Burch Foundation. I love Tory Burch. If you love Tory Burch too, let me know in the comment section. My very first designer bag was Tory Burch, and I just love the brand. I love how feminine it is. If you like Tory Burch as well, girl, let me know in the comment section. But Tory Burch actually has a foundation, and the foundation gives away $5,000 in grant money to female-owned businesses. But not just $5,000. It gives away 1 year of fellowship and mentorship and access to a network. I mean, that's a really great deal for money you don't have to pay back. And to be eligible, you have to be 21 years or older, you have to identify as a woman, and you have to have a for-profit business. So if you run an NGO, they're not going to give you their money. They're here for the hustlers, okay? The people who are actually trying to build wealth. Number 2 is the Black Founder Startup Grant by Sogal. I love the name Sogal. Recipients can receive up to $10,000 in money for your business. That's a lot of money. That would go a long way. Let me know in the comment section what you would do with $10,000. It has to be business related. It has to be hustle related. To qualify for this one, you have to identify as a Black woman. You have to have a legally registered business. So having an Instagram page doesn't count. You have to register your business, as a legal entity. And you have to have a scalable idea with ambition to become a billion-dollar company. So they want the people who have drive. If you really believe in yourself, if you really believe that what you're doing is going to become something really massive, then Sogal is for you. Number 3 is the Jane Walker Grant. It is by the whiskey brand Johnnie Walker, and it will give recipients $10,000 plus 1 year's worth of membership and coaching from iFund Women. This one is for female-owned businesses that function in one of these 7 categories. 1, hospitality, 2, entertainment, 3, STEM, 4, journalism, 5, film, 6, sports, and 7, music. So if your business falls into any of those 7 categories and you're a woman, then honey, this one's for you. Number 4 is the Girlboss Foundation Grant. I like the name Girlboss because we're girl bosses. You can receive up to $15,000 for your business, but you have to be a female working in fashion, design, arts, or music. And number 5 is the Amber Grant. This one picks one winner every single month to give $10,000. And the condition is that your brand or your business has to have a touching story, because this grant is in remembrance of a lady called Amber. So if you have a really touching business story, then this one is for you. And the condition for this one is for you to be based in the US or Canada. But for my African people, I have a gift for you. I promised you a gift and I'm a woman of my word, so here's the gift. I've gone ahead to create a second channel called Launch for Africa, and it's gonna be linked in the description box below. Go on there, subscribe, because I'm gonna be bringing side hustle content, grants content, everything you need to make your life wealthier in Africa. I got you. The Black woman sisterhood spans across the world, and I'm gonna try my very best to not leave anybody out. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with your tribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. I love you so much. I'm here for you. I'm rooting for you. I'm praying for you. As a matter of fact, if you have any specific business related prayer points, let me know in the comment section and I'll be praying with you as you set out on this wealth building journey. And until next time, please take care.